sitting on this beautiful big rock amidst the ocean. This is where I've been sitting. What a beautiful experience. What a beautiful experience. So blessed to be here. This is Malbrough Sounds. A perfect spiritual spot. So blessed to be here. To me, this is heaven on earth. That's me and my shadow. Hi, shadow. I love you. Gorgeous day. As you see, what an awesome experience. A beautiful experience. OMG, look at the sea. Look at the world underneath. So special. These are my beautiful friends, without whom I would never, ever have made it here. Yazad, whom I met for the first time, the very first time. But the moment I met him, I felt as if I knew him since years. Malbrough Sounds. So perfect is the name Malbrough Sounds. Gives us an opportunity to listen to the sounds of the beautiful water and the waves lashing against these beautiful rocks. OMG, look at these rocks. OMG, so beautiful with all those little pepes. I hope I can capture them. There we go. And the name Malbrough Sound also comes because of the native birds that chirp all day long. The rustling leaves. Ooh, wow! Oh, so beautiful! Those two kayaks have just created another ripple. And look at this beautiful water. Oh my God! I am at the top of my world. Thank you, Dharti Mata. Thank you, Dharti Mata. Thank you, Dharti Mata. I love you. Thank you, Ava Ardhavisur Banu. Thank you, Ava Ardhavisur Banu. Thank you to the beautiful Suraj Maharaj. There we go, shining up, keeping this planet warm. Oh my God. Khorshid Mer Yazad. Ava Ardhavisur Banu Yazad. Mahabuktar Yazad, Govad Yazad, Yazado, Amishasbando. Tamara lakh शुक्राना हो जोजी, लाख करोड़ शुक्राना हो जोजी. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for giving me so much of happiness, excellent health, wealth, prosperity, abundance. I am forever, ever so grateful to you. This land is for those who, like me, love nature. Just take a boat and get out and enjoy the beautiful serenity I can see the birds on that island. Very, very tiny. Not sure if I can capture them. But yes, the birds are out now that the sun is out. They're out to definitely get some food for the young ones. And here it is! OMG! Oh my God, who's visiting me? Hello, beautiful! Come! It's a seal. It's a baby dolphin, I think. I'm not sure what it is. But it's a beautiful creature which I had spotted right there. And now I could see its face. I don't know if I've been able to capture it. But oh my God. Pop up, beautiful water creature. I would love to say hello to you. Because that's what I like to do. Connect with every creature on this planet. Where are you? Oh my God. I hope I can see it again. It's gone deep. I think my sound could have scared it. But I hope my positive vibrations bring it up. I love you. I love you. Could be a seal because I've not been able to see what it is. Could be a dolphin, could be a baby whale. I don't know. Okay. So in the meantime, let's capture the view, and if I had to meet it, I'm already connected with it. If I had to meet it, I shall. Oh, it's gone there. It's gone there. It's gone there. I can see the head popping up. There it is. There it is. It's gone there. Because they like their space as much as I like my space. Oh, there it is. Sorry. Oh my God. It goes up and down, up and down. What a time of my life. There it is. I am having a time of my life. And I'm so very grateful to all the... Oops, hey. And I love myself. And I'm so very grateful to be born on this planet, Mother Earth. And I hope I can do full 100% justice. I think I should stop worrying about capturing the whale. Let it go. And I have to focus on myself. Oh, there. Oh my God. I hope I got it. It's going further away into the deep water. So Malbrough sounds. Here I come. That's Blenheim there, right there. And this is only the beginning of my 5-day trip to Malbrough Sounds. Ushtate, ushtate, ushtate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Amin, 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 amin.